It's late night. It's currently 11:25. Thursday night, May the 8th, man. Me and the boys can't sleep, so we thought we might as well go on a cruise. We just made 10 bands this week. I'm fucking with y'all, man. We broke as fuck. That's just a joke, yeah. But here's a cool little lineup right here. 2 Q50 here. One is a 3.0 T, one is a 3.7 naturally aspirate, and we got my 5.0 with the 10 speed. And then my boy all the way from Indiana pulled up to KC this weekend because we about to go on a trip. So he has a C6 Corvette with the LS3. So man, we can't sleep, so we're going out tomorrow morning. So we thought we might as well take a little cruise, just, you know, just having fun with the car and kind of just chill, enjoy, you know, enjoying the moment and time together tonight. So y'all go ahead and stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. We're about to hop in, so let's go, y'all. Y'all trying to go now? Let's go to the gas station real quick. 93? Yeah, 93. I'm gonna follow you. Where is it? Is there one near here? Yeah. All right. I need to get some gas, man. It's all hurt. Let's go. I need to get some gas, so y'all go. Guess you don't want to go yet, man. Gotta get some gas, man. We gotta get halfway at least. We don't want to be too full. I'm just gonna add weight onto the car, so. Bro, this is 91, bro. Where's 93 at? See that crackhead right there?
Where? Oh shit. Damn, bro, I ain't got no cash, bro.
You'll be alright, man.
Nah, man, he doesn't look like he's gonna be alright, bro. I feel like I need to take care of him or something.
Man, this dude taking us to the wrong gas station, man. Supposed to get one with 93 pump. Got 91. Motherfucker got it. We'll let this thing eat up or drink up real quick, and then
Autobot roll up.
Autobot, man, we about to get this shit rolling, bro. Shit. Okay, we got a bag, we got 2. We're about to get my door smashed, man. Crazy ass dude. Hey, that freeway is not that far away. Yeah. Have Van look on his phone map too if you want. But it's like right on the, pretty close to it. Man, bro told us a 20-minute drive. No fucking 93, man. See this Asian dude, man.
Hey, who y'all got, man? Put your car in right now.
But yeah, I'll see you on the way when we get to Mexico, man. Y'all stay tuned, alright? Alright, y'all, first roll. It's gonna be 40 rolls. a shift. Alright, man, we're about to do another. Ready? Ready? Alright, man, that's pretty much it for tonight, y'all. That's it, man, that's it. Had some fun tonight in Mexico, man. Had a cool little vet. Hit the fucking... Huh?
Is this just now or from past?
I think this one might be past. I hit the bottle, man. It's a boom.
Yeah. We were laughing at the girls when they crashed that.
What the fuck? They crashed the car?
Yeah, you know when they were entering, right, to come up.
Oh,
said,
straight? Yeah.
Someone was laughing with me.
Man, that's it for me here tonight, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Cool little race, cool little POV. Very nice shit with the boys. Y'all go ahead and stay tuned for the next video. Peace out. Thanks for tuning in.